Hey everyone, this is Bright Eyes. I just want y'all to know that I'm going to be doing tutorials for pattern making. And also I want y'all to understand that when I was learning pattern making, my classes were 3 to 6 hours long to do pattern making. So I'm doing my best to make the videos as short as possible, but I'm looking at it as someone who doesn't know pattern making, and I'm showing you every single step. So I would do my best to make the videos as short as possible, but realistically, in the classroom, we spent 3 hours on pattern making, and 6 hours on draping. Okay, and at Pratt, I think we did 6 hours of pattern making as well. But in FIT, it was 3 hours. I can't remember if they had 6-hour pattern making courses, but I know draping classes were 6 hours. So they, the classes are long, you know, to do pattern making, to do draping. That's why I'm like, you know, it's hard to do these videos because they take very long to do. But yeah, so I just wanted to let y'all know, and I'm going to be using just this book alone because they do inches, and that's easier for me to teach, you know, if I'm doing the pattern making. I do have other books, but it's kind of hard to explain with the other books. I feel this one's a lot easier because they have it in inches and they have more pictures. So just letting y'all know and preparing y'all for the pattern making course. And thank you for supporting my channel as well, and please subscribe and leave comments, and I will do more videos if y'all like it. Okay, all right, so I just want to say that briefly. All right, okay, bye.